Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out your water filter in your Samsung refrigerator. Let's take a look here. So there is our filter, and all we're going to do is just grab it firmly and we're going to turn it. It's pretty firm, and then it will kind of slide down. You might have to jiggle it a little bit. Sometimes they're a little bit more stuck. These seals right here can make it so you have to use a little bit of muscles there. Of course, we don't want to break anything. And then I've got my replacement filters right here. So here's our old filter here. Here's my replacements right here. This is a 3-pack that I bought online. And if you look down in the description below, I'll put a link to where I purchased these. So now I'll just grab my new one. And I took the plastic wrap off, and now I'm just going to take this plastic part off right up here. Now I'm ready to go. So you can see these notches that are on this right here. You're going to want to put those and kind of line them up with what you see inside here. So basically, what you'll want to do is kind of turn it like this. So not like this, but you kind of start it like this. And what you'll do is you'll kind of feel its way so you can kind of push up on it a little bit. If you have it turned so it's sort of out of place, it gets stuck down here and it won't go up. So if you just kind of gently turn it until it kind of finds its own spot in here. And then we're going to kind of firmly push up while we turn. You can kind of hear the water start going into the filter. This is really nice too. You do not have to turn off your water when you replace this. They are going to turn off the water for you. Maybe a couple drops will fall down, but that should be about it. So I'll double check that we have it in there nice and firm. You want to turn it until it stops, and you can kind of feel when it hits that sort of stop area, if you will. Now that we have our new cartridge in, the next step is we are going to run some water through this new cartridge. So we want to run about 4 gallons of water through this, so kind of quite a bit. And that is going to kind of help start that new filter and get it ready for nice, clean, fresh drinking water. Now we'll come over to the refrigerator and let's reset our filter. And it says that if we hold the filter this down for 3 seconds. It's as easy as that. We've changed out the filter and we'll save these 2 backup filters for future. Again, check out the description down below and I'll link these filters to it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.